Hi guys, it's Janae Severia, aka Janae the MUA. Welcome back to my channel. I am sorry that I wasn't able to upload an intro. Just for video purposes, I did a voiceover. This is a chit chat with me. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did one of my eyes off camera. Start with my eyes. I'm just doing a little get ready with me look today, and little chit chat. Mom, excuse my son. I'm gonna go into the Ace Beauty palette. This is Grandoise. This is the Grandoise palette. I think I said that right. But this is what it looks like. It has 8 shades, transition shades, darker shade, a few shimmers. Yeah. I got this in BoxyCharm. Again, guys, I will link my code in the description box for my BoxyCharm. And, okay, so I didn't notice that my microphone was down. But yeah, I'm going in the Ace Beauty palette in this shade right here. This is Poppy. And I'm just stamping this all into my crease, over my lid a little bit, going a little bit above my crease with this. And then to blend this out, I'm gonna go into my Jekyll and Hill. Yes, I know she's been getting a lot of backlash. Oh, and mine is so dirty. For her lipsticks, and I think she just has lipsticks, but I'm going to go into this shade right here, this mustard shade, and I think the name of that shade is either Creamsicle or Queen. I think it's Creamsicle, or maybe it's Queen, because this looks a lot more like a Creamsicle. So I'm just gonna stamp this right above that burgundy. Cinnamon in the Violet Voss palette. I'm sorry, that's not Violet Voss, that's the Ace Beauty palette. We're just gonna blend that in there as well. Then I'm gonna go back into that yellow. I'm sorry, and I'm using a Morphe 507, and to put the burgundy on, I used the Morphe M330, and I'm just gonna go back with my M330 brush. And I'm sorry I'm using so many palettes, but I couldn't find one palette that had the color scheme that I was looking for. So now I'm gonna blend that burgundy up into my eye, into the other color. And guys, this is just like really simple, I guess, everyday look, if you want to call it. May I remind you, it is 5 o'clock in the morning. Me and my son are getting ready for school and work. Yeah, that's that. All right, and to deepen this look, I'm gonna go into this dark brown right here in the Jekyll and Hill palette, just in the corner. And then I'm just dropping everything, guys, I'm sorry. And then with my Morphe 124 brush, I'm going to spray that with my Badescu spray. And I'm going to go back into the Ace Beauty palette and pick up this like Rusted Bronzy Shimmer. And I'm just going to pack that out. Then I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and pick back up that dark brown just to blend out the edges of that shimmer, because we kind of did a half no cut crease kind of look. And then for liner, I'm just going to use a black gel liner. Not going to do any lashes today, just for time purposes. No lash. Alright, and then for mascara, I'm going to use the Better Than Sex mascara. Okay. Oh guys, I did want to talk about my lashes. So the photographer that I meant to post that about my lashes not being up last Friday. The photographer that I had didn't get the pictures to me on time to add to the website. So I will be updating you guys on when I will post the lashes online. But in the meantime, if you watched my last video explaining the colors, I'm just using my e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer, explaining not the colors but the styles. They are ready to be ordered and shipped. So if you want to check out my YouTube video to see what the styles look like and maybe order them, you can still do so and securely order them through me, and I will ship them out. They usually take about 3 business days to get out. So I just wanted to say that in case anybody was wondering where my lashes were on my website. And I'm just putting that all over my face. I got a little concealer underneath my eye. Oh, and another thing. So over the weekend, I went to my family reunion, and my mom-in-law, yeah, I would call her my mom-in-law. No, I'm not married. She's my brother mom-in-law. But she gave me all of these Morphe brushes. She gifted all of these to me. So Cindy, I do just want to thank you for that. I'm really appreciative. Morphe brushes can be expensive when you buy them in bulk like this, or when you buy this many singles. And I do really appreciate that. She gave me about 10 brushes. So I will definitely be putting all of these to use. And yeah, oh yeah, I do really want to thank Cindy for that. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. And this is in the color Amber. So I try not to put that much foundation on today. We shall see. And then I'm just going to blend this out with my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. And I really like this foundation. I feel like it's full coverage, or maybe it's buildable. I don't know, because you could use a little bit. I feel like it's really buildable. Like that all was just one dip that I just used. Well, 2. I think it was like 2. I can't remember. And since I did do my eyebrows offline and stuff, comment in the comment section and let me know if you guys would like to see like a full eyebrow tutorial routine on how I do my eyebrows. Because as you guys know, I hardly have any brows. Kind of messed my mascara up a little bit. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going to go into the Colorpop Cosmetics concealer, no filter concealer, and this is in dark 48. And this doe foot actually has a lot of product in it. I don't know why I just double dipped it, because I really didn't need to. I never need to, because it's so much product in this applicator. That's what I really like about it. And I'm just gonna blend this out. But first I'm going to use a little bit of LA Girl Pro in Fawn. I don't know, I like the goldenness, I guess you could say. I'm just going to use it under my eyes. That this gives me under my eyes. I really like it. And on my forehead. Yeah, I really like the undertone of this concealer. So... and I'm just gonna set all of this with my Sasha Cosmetics. I need to try a new setting powder though. Comment in the comment section what you guys think I should try. I want to try something different for under eye. And again, I just press that into the skin. I don't bake. With my handy dandy Morphe E4 brush, I'm going to go into the Black Radiance True Contour Palette, medium to dark. And I'm going to take that contour color. And I'm going to just warm my face up just a little bit. Not too much. I'm also going to go into the... I can't even read this. Almer Cosmetics. This is their Corette Blush Trio. Yeah, I'm gonna go into this Deserted color called Deserted, and just put that all over my cheek. This color is really subtle. It's more of an everyday blush. And then blend that out. So it's not too harsh on my face. I'm going to spray my face first before I use my highlight. And first I'm going to just blend out those edges. I mean the creases in my under eye. I tell y'all my stuff is all over the place, like, because I went out of town, so just gonna fan that up a little bit. And I'm gonna use my Cover FX palette, and as you know I use all three. For an all over face powder, I'm going to go into this Morphe. This is just like a contour palette. And I'm just going to try this color and see how it looks all over my face. And I'm going to use this Morphe R2 brush that was gifted to me by Cindy. Thank you, Cindy. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. And I'm just gonna line my waterline with the brown pencil. So for lips, I'm not gonna do lips on camera. So this is the completed look. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that boop 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 bell notification button so that you guys can be notified whenever I do upload. And again, thank you Cindy, thank you. And I will have more information on my lashes and when they'll be up on my site. Just stay on the lookout for that. And I love you guys. Be blessed and have love, peace. I like you. I love you. Bye.